What do we do next? What do we do now? No, this is a new one. This is a new one. J. Cool.
91
Yep.
bracket 14 bracket equals 100y.
Good.
And then
Good. 91 times 14 is?
1274
Yeah.
equals 100y.
Yeah.
Divided by 100 divided by 100.
Yeah.
And then y equals 2.74.
12.74.
12.74.
Yes.
I'm not good with teen numbers.
Okay. So just as a look here, just to make sure, guys, just to make sure we got this here, okay? 82, the numbers sort of go 82, 91, 100. And if you take a look, 11, 12, 14, right? So they're getting bigger just on the other side. It's called proportion. They're sort of the same thing. Are we feeling somewhat okay, Ms. Moore? Think give one more like this, or do you think? Sure.
Spider-Man doesn't want it.
Well, Spider-Man doesn't want to, then they won't. Okay, we're getting into actual trig here today. Okay. This is called the tangent.
That sounds like a movie. It's scary.
It is a scary movie for teenagers everywhere. Okay. For any triangle, for any right-angled triangle. Angle this. Does anyone know? Can anyone remember what that funny symbol is called? The circle with line thread. Omega, close? You're so close. It's not omega, that's one of them, that's another one.
Oopsilon.
Theta. Okay, we're going to label the three sides of this triangle. So what I'd like you to do is to make a right angle triangle in the middle of your page. Okay, and then go from there. With theta. Okay, we're going to start with labeling triangles and find out which one's opposite, which one's adjacent, which one's hypotenuse. Okay, because once you have that, it just makes life extremely difficult for you. Okay, we're going to say there's going to be three signs that are labeled on here. The first one is going to be OPP, which is the side opposite to theta. So if you take a look, there's your angle theta. Directly across from it is going to be your opposite. The next one there is going to be hypotenuse, which is HYP, which is the longest side which is across from theta. It's right across from right angles. Right? The third one is going to be adjacent, which is ABJ, which stands for adjacent to theta. I call that the leftover one. Where's Spider-Man end up, by the way? Who's Spider-Man? Is Spider-Man Jeremy? Jeremy. You can have him if you want. Okay, Jeremy's up then. Okay, so all we're going to do, I'll give you guys a second to scribble that down. What we're going to do today, we're going to start with today by labeling the triangles. Any triangle I give you, you should be able to label opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. We're going to do one as a class and give you guys a chance to practice these out. This is totally important. I'm glad that almost everyone is here today. Okay, Jenny will have to do some extra catch-up tomorrow when she comes. Okay, but for everyone else, this is important. Once you get this down, trig is easy. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. Here we go. Example now, 4. Example 4.
Yes.
is I'm gonna draw a funny looking triangle that looks sort of like this. And I'll put theta right here. Okay, I would like 3 volunteers to tell me, please, what is the opposite side, what is the adjacent, what is the hypotenuse? 3 volunteers, please. Jake, what side is what? Go ahead, give me one side.
Okay, so the hypotenuse
Yes.
is from A to C.
Very good. Okay, hold on a second. Let's make sure we got this. You're exactly right. That's the first one to put in there always in life. It says you're never going to mix that up. Okay? Sorry to interrupt there, Jake. Continue, please.
And then the opposite.
Jeremy, hold on a second. Jeremy wants to take it. Jeremy, go. Very good. Okay? Here's your angle. It's the one directly across the metropolis. So everyone see that? There's your theta. The one across what's going to be opposite. There's only one left. What's it going to be? Hoping it would say adjacent. That's the left one. Okay, does everyone sort of see how that goes? You're going to have a little time to practice this right now because you have to master this before we continue. So you take your angle. First over circle right hypotenuse. That works. A good suggestion. Again by Jake there. And good by Jeremy. Opposite comes next. The one across your angle. Your leftover one at the end is adjacent. Sierra, how you doing? Good holiday? All right. What I'm going to do, sorry. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to hit stop.